pavement though. If it appears on camera that this road isn't quite wide enough, well, for two vehicles to pass for damn sure, but even with pulling a short trailer like I do, these curves you need to take up the whole road to get the trailer around, just to stay on the pavement. But that's the charm of this. One thing I like about running the Eastern Shore here, up here just a hint, that's a Hardee's, which means it's an opportunity biscuits, and that we're gonna take that opportunity for the biscuits. That little red building there on the right. See, maybe not. Better turn off the J camera. Hit the shoulder, run in here, grab my biscuits because they're having a sale. 2 biscuits for $5.51. backed out of it, so I wasn't looking at the back of the truck and the camper coming up through there. You can see a little bit more, but yeah, it's spectacular up here. The next time I might have to put the camera on the selfie stick. I got one of those. You can look around a little, make one across there. Of course, on the same note, when you're this high up in the air and there's traffic around you too, it's I tend to have no hands on the wheel. So yeah, it is a spectacular thing to be on. The scale is closed. That's good. That's very good. All right. Breaking your seal. There's your seal. I'm working on my next phase in life.
What is that?
GoProing.
Oh.
YouTubing.
You got that thing set up when you're driving?
Well, they kept kicking my X-rated stuff off, so you know, I figured I'd do something a little less provocative. So Justin is pulling off 3 buckets of potatoes to send down for a sample to see if they want them or not. All right, this is the thing that unloads truck belts. They run all the potatoes in the center there. Put the slip up cylinder back in, and then it runs back. See, this thing extends in into the trailer, and that's how they unload it. All right, how did I do? Did all right. See, I'm not exactly touching. It's close enough. Drop that down from the drive-in and unload the potatoes with their thingy-majiggies. But Danny, you know this works better if you turn the thing on and you start driving.
Well, I'm sorry, they turned me off. I can't get it on.
What do you mean they turned you off?
They turned me off.
You were going too fast, wasn't it?
I can't help it, Don.
Huh.
It is what it is. I just got, hey, you got a camera.
I got a camera. I mean, this ain't nothing that's going to get you in trouble. I'm just, you know.
What are you doing?
I'm just making a video about what I do, haul potatoes.
Oh.
Well, you know, when I do it, see, that's how the machine unloads the potatoes.
Good.
Oh, now the light came on. Now it's